You have to understand how the customer operates and what his needs are. We support the customer wherever we can.
We provide a superior product at a fair price, and that's really what it comes down to. The Lilly Company is a supplier of anything that moves product in a warehouse.
We're a full material handling company. Our bread and butter is forklift trucks, but we're really the A to Z. If you have an empty warehouse and we walk in, we can fill it. What makes me proud is the family business.
My grandfather, Thomas F. Lilly, founded the Lilly Company here in Memphis.
There was 3 family members there before me. You want to make them proud.
It's fantastic to be part of a 100-year-old company. That's something that's unheard of nowadays.
You can't survive unless you grow. In the last 20 years, that's been our primary focus, is growth. We have good leaders that lead us, we have customers that support us, and all of that will carry us through to another 100 years.